All across America, there are relocation programs. Yes, you heard me say that. That means people will pay you to move there. A state will pay you to move there. Why do they want you? They want you. They want your talent. They want your families. They want your kids to come into their schools. Yes, yes, yes. Start businesses, your creative ideas, all of that. And they would be willing to pay you to move there. A lot of these cities are up and coming, guys. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. And this week we've been talking about New York. All right. So none other than one of my favorite places in the USA is New York. And so today we're going to talk about that place again, New York, because they have a new remote program. Yes, if you are a remote worker making at least $75,000 in your household, they will pay you up to $7,500 to move to Olean, New York. That's Olean. Yes. They're actually going to give you a stipend, guys. They're going to give you a $4,000 cash stipend and $3,000 plus of activities, different things that value promotions for $3,200. All right, so it's a walkable city. It has a mountain, has those mountain views from what I hear, guys. So something you might be interested in. And I hear some of their home prices are actually under 150,000. Yes, 150,000 in the USA today in 2026. Yep, you heard that right, guys. You heard that. So I hear some of their schools teach you to ski over there. Come on now. We said the mountains, teaching you how to ski. They have whimsical downtown square places for you to just relax into. Yes, it's whimsical over there. Guys, Google Olean, New York, all right? So they're going to give you a co-working space over there. As I said, they're going to give you some cash to move there. You're going to be able to get some recreation center memberships, gym memberships, club memberships. Yes, wellness and family packages over there. Yes, 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 yes. So it's worth taking some time to go over to one of my favorite places, New York, and look through there, guys. So if you like skiing, you like a little smaller town, yes, then Olean, New York is probably your place. So the university is over there. It's Bonaventure University, and I hear that they have a lot of diversified industries over there. So they have advanced global manufacturing, they have a regional healthcare network over there, they have the university over there. So also they're wanting you to start some businesses over there. There's room for you. So for your eco-friendly business, or if you want some support starting a business, that's also included over there in Olean, New York. All right, so they want some storefronts down in that whimsical town of theirs because they have put $10 million into a revitalization program downtown. So when they're putting money into their downtowns, sign me up, because everywhere I go across the USA, I like to find myself right downtown in a city. That's how I know what's going on inside of a city. All right. So let's see here, guys. You know you're going to get that snow, but this is along the Allegheny River. All right. So they have paddling, hiking trails, fishing, lots of recreation over there. Yes, lots of recreation. And it's classic, is what they're saying. It's classic, walkable city. Yes, with mature trees, front porches, and neighbors that you can rely on, they say. So I don't know. I don't know if a lot of you remember Cheers, where everybody knows your name. It's not that small, but it's about a population of 14,000, guys. All right. So They say that they have a lot of street festivals, a lot of game nights, their local farmers market is there all the time, and that they have a very artistic city. I keep hearing Whimsical, Whimsical, Whimsical. So this is close to Buffalo, New York. It's about an hour and a half out, and then 2 hours away from Rochester, New York, and also about 2.5 hours away from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So that's what I'm talking about. It's tucked in, nestled in between some places that you may actually like to go over to a lot. All right, so nice cities right next door to it. I like that. I like it. Guys, where you want to go is you want to contact ACTS about their relocation program. You can call the city at 716-376-5600. That's 716-376-5600. That's 716-376-5600. I don't have my glasses on and my lighting is kind of messed up here. But guys, also in Rochester, I mentioned it being close to Rochester, but Rochester also has a relocation program going on, okay? So consider Rochester, New York, consider Olean, New York. You have some options here, all right? And before I get off of here, I want to say go over to my website. As you guys are moving, you want your paperwork, your contracts, things to be reviewed, all right? You can get that. You can get any kind of assistance you need with legal help by going over to my website, which is arakestraw.legalshieldassociate.com. I'll link it in the description and comments, all right? So we talk affordable housing here, mainly on Sundays and Mondays. So if you want to know more about places that will pay you to move, if you want to know what's going on out here across the USA, if you want to know about Section 8 for your family members, all of that, come back to me. So subscribe, like, and share. All right. I ask you to always share these videos out, because by sharing, I give to you, you give to others, and others will be able to get their affordable housing, and in return, good things happen for you as well. So share it out, guys. I love you. Be well, be safe, and I'll see you next time.